we go, losing self-control. I keep telling myself, but I don't wanna let you know. Is this what?
Alright you guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is another clean with me video. I hope this video motivates you and gets you up and ready to clean or tackle your to-do list today. And we're just going to jump right in. So right here I have some of my new cleaning products. I am going to be using a couple of these in the video today. I'm also going to be linking the rest of them in my description box just so you have an idea of what I bought recently. And I'm going to go ahead and use that pink grapefruit method spray. And I absolutely love the scent, you guys. My whole house smells so amazing. I'm sure if you have tried it, you know what I'm talking about. I also have my little Apple headphone in, just so you guys know what it is. It's in my ear. I'm just listening to music while I clean.
Where you at now?
So right now I'm just going to go ahead and take everything off of my entertainment center here in the living room, and we are going to dust this area and shine it up.
Myself in between the lines underneath your bed sheets.
And then what I'm doing here is just wiping down the TV with the dry microfiber towel before I sprayed anything on this towel.
Some game that I will lose, there's no zipping past it. Every time you walk away from me, I want you.
So now I'm going to go ahead and just dust and sweep up the living room. There's a lot of dog hair in there because that's where we keep the crate. So we had a lot of hair. I have been brushing him in the morning, and that has been helping with eliminating some of the hair.
Where you at? Where you at now? Where you at?
So we have so many dishes in here, you guys. Since we've been doing like our weight loss journey, we have been mostly eating at home, and so our dishes from our meals each day really stock up. It's just not good. Right now we're going to go ahead and clean up our mess from breakfast and lunch and snack and whatever else. Especially now that everybody's home during the day, it's a lot. So you definitely want to make sure you clean underneath your microwave, because it will have like build up and start smelling from like all the cooking that you do, and that's where your fan is. So you want to definitely clean that area. Right now I'm just doing a quick wipe down of the microwave. I'm not doing too much of a deep clean. I literally just took like that hot soapy rag with some multi-surface cleaner and wiped it out. And then go ahead and clean this like I would dishes. So now we're going to go ahead and organize my little coffee station area. This is the catch-all space in our house. Mail and paperwork and random things go in this area. We have doggy wipes and all kinds of stuff. So I just cleaned that up real quick. And now I'm just organizing some of my sugars into our little mini mason jar here.
I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward. It's gonna save you. Never look down low. both know it's bittersweet. This sorrowness will bite your tongue. No one is forever young. No. Listen the rhythm.
Then there is my family. They're just hanging out. They just jumped in the pool while I was in the middle of cleaning. So right now I'm going to use the new Squirt and Mop, and you guys, I really love it. Not only does it like really spread out over the floor nicely, I don't know what the word I'm looking for, but it really does a good job, and it smells amazing for hours after. So I really am going to continue using this method wood cleaner.
We're floating up like helium.
All right, you guys, so I am all done with my cleaning. The house is clean, it's refreshing. It actually smells amazing because of that almond method mop-in spray. That stuff's amazing, I absolutely love it. Other than that, I love you guys so much. I will see you guys very soon. Please like this video to let me know that you guys enjoyed this video, and it really helps out my channel. And also subscribe if you're new to my channel, and there's gonna be a bunch of other videos down in the description box, so if you wanna check those out and kind of get to know me, I would love that. So anyway, I will see you all in my next video. Bye.